Cheryl Casone is standing by right now to give us these numbers. Cheryl?
We are coming in with a much weaker jobs report, Dagan, a much weaker jobs report. 235,000 jobs added. Remember, the estimate was 728,000, and this would have been much less than the 900+ thousand that we got for the month of July. Now, the unemployment rate did dip down 5.2%. But again, we are coming in with a much weaker non-farm payrolls number. It was 943. It has now dropped down. That was in July. It's now 235, guys. A big miss on estimates. They did not do any revisions for July for the rate. That remains at 5.4%. As far as August labor force participation, that came in at 61.7%. 61.7%. Average work week unchanged, 34.7 hours. Earnings, Jody was just talking about this. August average hourly earnings up a little more than 0.5%. August unemployment rate, again, 5.2%. And the non-farm number, 235,000. I'm getting some more numbers right now. Looking at June and July right now, it looks to me like non-farm for, hold on, let me get back to private payrolls, okay? We had to have big miss on private payrolls. I'll get to a couple more numbers in a second, guys. Private payrolls, we were looking for 665. We came in at 243. 243. That the estimate was 665. Big miss on private payrolls. Manufacturing a little bit stronger. I'm surprised to see that. We came in at 37,000. The estimate was 25,000. Again, average earnings, that month-over-month number coming in a little bit better than expected at 0.6%. Earnings year over year, though, a little bit better than expected, 4.3%. I'm trying to find some good news in this thing, you guys. As for average workweek hours, again, that came in pretty much as expected, as I mentioned just a few moments ago. And again, we always look at labor force participation, 61.7%. Digging into these numbers as well. If you look at the underemployment rate, that came in at 8.8% in August. That's actually weaker than it was in July for 9.2. That was at 9.2%. And then digging into factory jobs, I want to dig into these numbers a little bit more here. August factory jobs, 37,000. That's the manufacturing. Okay, so we're looking like we've got, again, if you break down the types of industries where we saw jobs gained, and not a lot, obviously, as we can say here now, goods producing jobs, 40,000. Construction, a loss of 3,000 jobs when it came to the construction industry. Private services, 203,000. Retail, get this, a loss in retail of 28,000 and change, and a loss in government jobs, down 8,000 again. So a lot of numbers that we're going through here. And then also I want to look and see, I want to go back to revisions now to give you a sense of what we're seeing there. June and July, these are the revisions, okay? 134,000 more jobs created than previously reported from June and July. So a little bit of a bump up on June and July, Dagan, but I'm not really sure that that is going to help the market as far as what we're talking about now. And you've got Dow futures now down with this really weak report, much weaker than expected again, Dagan. So this is now it's up to the Fed, right? You had several Fed officials say that this report, they said if it was strong, that they would be pushing for a taper in September. Not sure that argument can be on the table right now as we have, again, a much weaker than expected August jobs report. I'm going to continue going through the press release. I will send it back to you, obviously, in the panel for all of the reaction. But what a number, Dagan. What a number.